Hey, before you start decorating, let's identify those corners. Is it a tucked-away nook in your living room, or maybe a narrow hallway that feels neglected? Every home has one, and with a little creativity, we can turn these awkward spots into showcases of style. Picture this: a once dull corner featuring a trendy armchair paired with a charming side table adorned with books and a soft throw blanket. It invites relaxation, doesn't it? And don't forget about textures. Incorporating different materials, like a woven rug or a plush cushion, can enhance the visual interest and comfort of your transformed space. Imagine walking into your home, and instead of being confronted by a shadowy corner, you see a vibrant mini gallery showcasing your favorite art pieces. Perhaps you have an empty wall that could use a splash of personality. Why not create a picture wall? Mix and match frames of various sizes and styles, or even add a floating shelf where you can switch out pieces whenever you feel inspired. This not only personalizes the space but also allows you to showcase your unique style in a fun and evolving way. Plus, it's a fantastic conversation starter. Now, let's dive into how to select the right artwork or photographs to curate your collection effectively. Consider the colors in your selected pieces. Choose a palette that complements your room's existing hues. You might opt for bold statements with vibrant colors, or soothing tones that create a serene atmosphere. Balancing these elements will ensure your showcase feels cohesive and inviting. By following these easy tips, you'll not only conquer those unconventional corners but also enhance the overall vibe of your home. Embrace every unique space, let your creativity shine, and most importantly, enjoy the transformation process. Happy decorating, and remember, style is all about expressing who you are.